Your credit score impacts a lot in the U.S. Loans, insurance, credit cards, even apartments. Most people think it takes years to fix, but that's not always true. With a few smart moves, you can raise your score faster than you might expect. Let's break it down step by step. A credit score is a simple number from 300 to 850. Higher means less risk for lenders. Scores come from 5 things: payment history, credit usage, account age, credit mix, and inquiries. Once you know that, improving becomes much easier. Scores update every month based on new data. If you lower balances, fix errors, or adjust how you use cards, the score usually reacts within 1 or 2 billing cycles. It's all about timing and consistency. Payment history is the biggest factor. Even a single late payment can hurt a lot. Auto-pay or reminders help make sure everything posts on time. If you're behind, catching up helps more than people think. Credit usage is how much of your limit you're using. Under 30% is good. Under 10% is excellent. Paying down balances or asking for a higher limit can lower utilization quickly. Credit reports can have mistakes like wrong balances or accounts you don't recognize. Disputing errors online with the bureaus can remove them and boost your score if the info was hurting you. If someone you trust has great credit, you can ask to become an authorized user on their card. You get the benefit of their positive history. Not every card helps, but when it works, it can boost a score fast. Asking for a higher credit limit can lower your utilization instantly if you're not carrying big balances. Some banks approve online without a hard inquiry. Over the next few weeks, this often helps scores climb. Most banks report balances in the middle of the billing cycle. If you pay twice a month, the reported balance stays lower. That means lower utilization and a better score. Credit age matters. Closing old cards can shorten your history and hurt your score. Even if you rarely use that card, keeping it open can help your credit profile look stronger. When you apply for new credit, lenders do a hard inquiry. Too many in a short time can lower your score. During a rebuild phase, skip new applications unless you really need them. Debt payoff helps in 2 ways. It lowers utilization and makes it easier to keep payments on time. Snowball or avalanche both work. The key is steady progress month after month. Having a mix like credit cards plus maybe a car loan helps scores over time. It shows lenders you can handle different types of accounts. Don't take new credit just for mix, but be aware it matters. Maxing out a card can tank your score fast even if you pay on time. Keeping balances low makes you look safer to lenders. If one card is high, spread balances or pay sooner. New accounts lower your average age of credit. Age matters a lot for a strong score. The older your accounts get, the easier the score improves. You can check your reports for free. The point isn't to obsess, it's to make sure there are no surprises. Catching small issues early prevents bigger drops later. Mortgage lenders sometimes offer a rapid res score. It updates your credit report faster than the usual cycle. It's not for everyone, but in some cases it helps when you need a score boost quickly. Store credit cards seem harmless, but they often have low limits and high interest. Low limits make utilization spike fast, which can drag your score down. Some people consolidate debt into one loan with a lower rate. It's not a magic fix, but it simplifies payments and can help with utilization if cards get paid down. If your credit is damaged, a secured card can help rebuild. You deposit money as collateral and use the card like normal. With good payments, many banks upgrade you to an unsecured card. Collections hurt a lot. Some newer scoring models ignore paid collections. Settling or paying a collection can help long-term, but always get details in writing. Some improvements are quick. Others take a few months. Credit is a long game and lenders like consistency. Small wins add up over time. Don't close old cards. Don't max out limits. Don't apply for a bunch of accounts at once. Don't ignore balances. These simple mistakes slow improvement and make the score bounce around. Improving a credit score isn't complicated. It's about timing, usage, and on-time payments. Make a few smart changes, and you'll see progress faster than you expect. If this helped, make sure to watch for more financial guides.